Hi, third graders. Today we are going to be learning all about a genre called realistic fiction. Now, you might have already noticed that our new story, Water Sky, is a great example of realistic fiction. So let's take a look at what we're going to be working at today. You guys are going to be detectives, and you are going to be hunting for all of these different realistic fiction features in the text. So let's look at the first one together. The first feature is that characters are imagined but act like real people or animals. Our job is to find an example of this feature from the text. And of course, we want to make sure we include which paragraph we found it in. So let's go ahead and open up our story, Water Sky. Now, it's said that the characters are imagined. And so that means that the author, Jean Craighead George, came up with the characters. But they're realistic in that they act like real people. So let's see if we can find some examples about the characters. Let's look in paragraph 1. It says, a boy in a bright blue ski jacket and Maine hunting boots stood on a snowy runway. So right away, I have found an example of a character that fits with the genre of realistic fiction. He's a boy, and he's wearing a blue ski jacket and Maine hunting boots on a snowy runway. These are all things that I know I can find in real life, and I can also tell that this sentence matches this illustration. So I'm going to put this example in our slide. Let me see. Okay, a boy in a bright blue ski jacket and Maine hunting boots. Boy in a bright blue ski jacket and Maine hunting boots stood on a snowy runway. And I found that quote in paragraph 1. So I want to make sure to include the paragraph that I found it in. So let's take a look at some of the other features that you're going to be looking for today. Settings may be real places and times. So this means that the locations are real locations that you could find on a map. So not something like Hogwarts, which we know is a fictional place. Settings may be imagined, but could exist in real life. So once again, Hogwarts probably doesn't exist in real life. Characters must solve a problem that could happen in real life. And lastly, events are imagined, but could happen in real life. So take a few minutes to go through your text Water Sky and see if you can find examples from the text for each of these text features. And then soon you are going to be an expert in realistic fiction. Good luck!